Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to upload a high quality story on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload high quality story on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and in order to proceed from over here guys, there are two steps mainly you require to fix. That is your story which you want to upload on Instagram first must be recorded by or captured by a high quality or high-end device like a camera. But if you captured it with your phone, make sure your camera settings are on the highest quality possible. And with that being done on the camera section of your story, let's go to the Instagram section. Now on this page guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on that profile picture icon, and over here again guys, at the top right corner of the screen, there is the three-line icons. You can tap on over there, and from over here scroll down until you can find your media and your app and media. You can see over here, and over here guys, on the category of your app and media, there is the data usage and media quality. Tap on there, and here it says the media upload quality and upload at highest quality. Make sure your toggle icon is turned on for that option, because whenever you upload, or you can just see over here, always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if upload takes longer. And it says it over here guys, if you turn on the toggle icon for upload at highest quality, all of the stories and posts whichever you do will be uploaded on high quality. And with that being done guys, let's go to the next step. And with that being done guys, the next time you upload a story on Instagram, it will be on high quality. And guys, this is how to upload a high quality story on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.